Imagine waking up one day in 1907, the sun shining bright, the city bustling with life, and yet, beneath that surface, a storm was brewing. It all began with a single miscalculation, a failed attempt to corner the market on United Copper Company stocks. It seems almost trivial now, but that misstep sent ripples through the financial sector, igniting a chain reaction that would plunge the nation into chaos. Suddenly, whispers of panic spread like wildfire. People started to doubt their banks, their investments, and even the very foundation of the economy itself. Picture this: a mother clutching her child, standing in line outside a bank, her heart racing. She's heard rumors that the bank is running out of money, and she can't afford to lose her life savings. Next to her, a businessman, usually confident, is sweating bullets as he watches his empire teeter on the edge. The scene unfolds across the country as bank runs become the norm. People rush to withdraw their money, fearing that if they didn't act fast, they'd be left with nothing. It was a frantic race against time, and the fear was palpable. Streets were filled with anxious crowds, and the atmosphere was thick with uncertainty. As the panic spread, major banks began to fail. The economy, which had been flourishing, was now on the brink of collapse. Businesses shuttered their doors, workers lost their jobs, and the nation's confidence crumbled. It was a sobering reminder of how fragile our financial systems can be. The sheer weight of the crisis was suffocating, and it felt like the American dream was slipping away, one bank run at a time. But amidst the chaos, lessons were being learned. The panic served as a wake-up call. It revealed the urgent need for a more stable financial system, one that could withstand such shocks. In response, the Federal Reserve System was established in 1913. Yes, this was the turning point in American history. The creation of the Federal Reserve was not just a reaction to the crisis. It was a commitment to ensuring that the nation would never again find itself teetering on the edge of economic disaster. Think about it. The Federal Reserve was designed to be the guardian of the economy, a central bank that could step in during times of crisis, providing liquidity to banks and stabilizing the financial system. It was a bold move, a recognition that regulation and oversight were essential to prevent a repeat of the panic of 1907. The lessons learned from that tumultuous year shaped the future of American finance. Fast forward to today, and we can see the impact of those decisions. The Federal Reserve has played a crucial role in navigating through economic downturns, from the Great Depression to the 2008 financial crisis. It serves as a reminder that while our economy can be unpredictable, we have mechanisms in place to protect it, to cushion the blow when things go awry. So, what can we take away from the panic of 1907? It's a story of resilience, of learning from our mistakes. It's a testament to the importance of vigilance in the financial sector. The next time you hear about economic turmoil, remember the lessons of the past. Understand that while panic can spread like wildfire, it also ignites change, leading to systems designed to protect us. If you found this journey through history captivating, if you want to dive deeper into the tales that shaped our world, don't forget to subscribe. Together, we can explore the intricate tapestry of our past, one riveting story at a time.